Oh man, honestly, I do what I do because I wanted to promote financial literacy within the urban community. But me doing what I know I solely can't focus on that demographic, but that's what planted the seed for me. I think for me, I'm my true authentic self. What you see is what you get. And yeah, one thing that I wish everyone knew about money, I would say definitely start saving and investing early. Honestly, I invested my time and resources to come to Rhino Boot Camp. I wanted to reset, kind of refocus, and re-energize myself, and obviously come down to learn from two of the best in the game for 2 days.